Hello friends, my name is Prajakta Sambhaji Kale. Today's topic is helical structure of a DNA and its uses in medicines. Here is a DNA molecule is made up of two linked strands that wind around each other to resemble a twisted leader in a helix-like shape, and each strand has a backbone made up of alternating sugar this is deoxyribose and phosphate group. Attached to each sugar is one of the four bases. First is adenine, cytosine, guanine or thymine. These are four bases of sugar in which helical structure of a DNA. Why is a DNA in helical structure? There is a reason for to avoid bumping into each other. Two staircase has a two twist a little bit. This turn our staircase into a spiral staircase. This extra twist at the end is the reason of the reason for the helical shape. For the steps of the DNA staircase to fit together, they have twist little bit, making the final spiral shape of a DNA. And this term is described by the Watson and Crick scientists. Watson and Crick published their findings in a one-page paper with the understand title A Structure for Deoxyribose Nucleic Acid in the British Scientific Weekly Nature on April 25, 1953, illustrated with a schematic drawing of a double helix by Crick wife Audley. And there is a reason for helix structure and why DNA structure is important, because DNA's unique structure enables the molecule to copy itself during cell division. When a cell prepares to divide, the DNA helix splits down the middle and become two single strands. These single strands serve as the templates for building two new double-strand DNA molecule, each a replica of the original DNA strand or DNA molecule. And we know that there is a helical structure. Why DNA called helix or helix structure? It is the word helix is a Greek word meaning like twisted. Helix means twisted or curved, as the helix refers to quite a bit of the ear. That expert placement along the curve can be described more, especially here the some variation of the helix pickering or piercing, in which the helical structure of a DNA, there is a double helix is related to the genomics, is a term used to describe the physical structure of a DNA. A DNA molecule is made up of two linked strands of the wind around each other to resemble a twisted ladder in the helix-like shape. Each strand has a backbone made up of alternating sugar that we know as first is the adenine, cytosine, guanine, thymine. These are deoxyribose phosphate groups in which the two strands are connected by chemical bonds between the bases. Bonds with the thymine and cytosine bond with the guanine. Adenine bond with thymine and cytosine bonds with the guanine. These are two chemical bond between the bases. And the discovery of a DNA's double helical structure in the 1950 was perhaps the most significant biological accomplishment of 20th century. Knowledge of this remark by clever structure involving two complementary strands of DNA that each provide the template for making the other strands, providing a key insight about how it was that DNA could serve as an information molecule of living system. This structural detail about DNA rapidly accelerated research that relieved important aspects about DNA functions, encodes information for creating or operating a living system. There is a uses of helical structure in medicine. The structure allows for the DNA to be tightly packed into chromosome. It also provides an extremely stable backbone with the negatively charged phosphate pointing to the outside of the molecules. This charge aids in the attachments of other molecules to the strands of DNA. Hence, that's all about helical structure of a DNA. Thank you.